For still list.
Nirok tini payment bagai sung TSF ninggi sini press conference asok maninggu ang nirok ni TSF ni general secretary hamalu an logo tong sini vice president Pintu sini chief organizing secretary Bibas te sini assistant finance secretary Somor ani yagaro tong sini joint secretary Reno te sini assist central leaders divisional leaders jotono tongu tini sung press conference asok maning omano nirok sigo sung TSF kedung mas salro ko movement temano te roman script nati sung khai to 2020 ni sing kisa governor ni sing memorandum loka chen nirok nukhana aman borga sung strike dakhoka board by malaika sung memorandum to ya paring to haipana temano jaka government rok assure khai ka je borok sung no ronai sung tabo kebo malai liya borok sungmai phai malai ne sini students from the future thangsagai tongo sung ma busi nai sung thangsaga khorang mati sanai ang public no appeal khainai especially students sung sigi makha khana class 12 ni CBSE board exam ko gro par anga thangi tong sung niro ni support na guardians ro niro ni support na nirok support khaya ke chini movement success singla sung jotono no koi nai students guardian public political party NGOs social organization student organization tabok te kaisa omo kokbrok speaker on ismi fight ya I will invite even non kokbrok speakers omo nirok ni fight nirok mabusi nai sung kokbrok saya sung tangai khane bangke any movement success ngla thangnai goro sini traffic police harassment khaijaka boto kokbrok sanaya haibana khaijaka bole harassment amu sangma busina boni bagai TSF sung jefor pana sini je phan tongsa sung khaini tong thangnai strike khaibro jeng sing leaders orjok tong jotoni case masaja kodo thangma tongo sung sini bai khaya guardian of mabusi nai sung nirong ni busa nirong ni churai nirong ni jati busin mai sakai and our future generation thangnai class 10 exam ronai ro borok fail singai ni baksa saka pasi pore maya baiga sunai ba borono roman script bai phrungjaka government assure khai ka ba borobo wasoka yes roman script phrungpana question ba roman script bai yang nai tabok sung appeal khainai TSF ready tongo TSF baskai hinga ni ready tongo nirok logade tong amasita question public student logade tong boni bagai TSF khana 24 March 2025 jeng indefinite strike dakogoi tongo sini TSF dengai sung jota political party jota organization jota student organization joto borok nirona appeal khanya o movement no success khagen bage sung nogo thugoi tongoi sime TSF no sime nai sagai o movement success ngla sung vision of ready khanya haifana nironi support karike movement bage success ngai my dear student you should understand niron bai sung fight khai tongo sung case pasai tongo nirok kirigei nogo tong tong hang o movement success ngla guardian rok mabusinai sung sika khana 21st March kokbor paper 12 ninga thangi tongo baksa hongoi mana exam bahai ke ronai tarodi sung reschedule khai ronai sung pal ke tiuprano hol musung ma khang ke tangai government kiriang nai ba sung TSF simi khol ke sene haya niro public ma busina students niro dress kind of khadi जों लगे दंगो निराव मा बुजिनाय जों निरावनि बागै जों जे खायमा सासेनि फान दं सासे खायनो दं public rock especially we should understand temanggui dong sini movement tangi saja sengnya 50 years nangka tanggui semua busi nai bone bagai sung joto organization joto student you may be from different community different tribe khanani all movement of participate khagen bai sung koi nai te government of India government of Tripura te both nirok directly sung bai contact ma khai nai. You may think we are very much like tabo sini logo students tongo guardian tongo public tongo government of Tripura so amon one khai niro problem solve khai musu khangke sung by direct contact khai di sung ready ni tongo talk ni bagai hai bana our students should not be played again language atoi question paper subject atoi sini student atoi politics ta khai sakthang sini student ni future Menagota thang ni jeng naige bon bai jeng TSF jeng sring tongmalia sini sudah ni dukhono goi jeng mapa sapika jeng appeal khainai I appeal all the communities all the political organization NGO social organization to be part of this movement. Hambai